What's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Radcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel. We back with another banger, y'all, man. So, just got done mowing grass, man, and I'm tired, I'm hot. I'm getting ready to start barbecuing, but today is July 4th, Friday. I took some trades this morning, man. Yep, on a holiday. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready to show you that in a minute, man. But first of all, I want to say that if you guys didn't know, we ended up passing the My Funded Futures 50K eval, the starter plus, yesterday. So they emailed and gave me the credentials and stuff. They gave me my new account, man. So we have another eval. I also got another eval because they had 50% sale on all their accounts. So I ended up getting a starter account. So we got two evals and a funded account on the way. They're verifying my information and stuff. They wanted they wanted some type of form of documentation of my taxes, or you know what I'm saying, bills and stuff like that, man. So we waiting on that. So we have the two evals and still waiting on that funded account, man. And we also still have our 50K Apex account that's currently at $50,749. So we got 4 accounts, man, 2 funded, and we trying to get 2 on the way, man. But I'm getting ready to show y'all these trades that I took this morning. So we're gonna start with micro Nasdaq on a 5-minute time frame. So this line right here is previous high, and of course yesterday it just broke that and went skyrocket, man. So we are all-time highs. I know that once we took off yesterday with news, non-farm payroll, after that news it took off, and then I know there's got to be some type of retracement, and I believe that the retracement was going to come retest the previous high. So as you guys can see, the market ended up doing that. But the account that I decided to trade on was the eval that I got for 50% off. So that was a good deal, man. So I just decided to trade that one first. I took like one trade in my starter plus account, but didn't like it, so that only gained like $3 and some change. So we left that alone. But I wanted to try to get a good amount on that starter account. So last night, this was the trade that I ended up taking, guys. This trade right here, it was a really, really good trade, y'all. So I told you guys that we are currently retesting that previous high. So I just found me a spot. If you notice, guys, we keep breaking structure, breaking structure, breaking structure, breaking structure. We keep breaking structure to the downside, going all the way to this previous high down here. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna just get in where I think is good for me. So I had this trade right here aiming all the way down to this white line. I was risking $500 when I took this trade. Had I held the trade, I would have passed this account to that white line. I didn't do that because I got a little nervous, man. My butt cheeks got tight and I got nervous, and I backed out of it, man, because I knew it would come retest this, but there is a demand zone. I mean, there's a supply zone up here. Sorry about that. There is a supply zone that's up here. So I'm like, I don't know how far this thing gonna go. But when it broke out of this flag, this wedge. It broke out of that, and I put my trade in. And as you guys can see, I got in and I backed right out. It came in. That was a break-even trade. So I was sick about that. When I woke up this morning and seen that my take profit would have been hit and I would have passed the account, I said, dang, I should have just went with my gut and just held it and just left it alone. But I said, you know what, I'll just wait till the open come up, and I ended up finding another setup, man. So as you guys can see, this yellow box right here, this yellow box is a supply zone. So we ended up hitting our previous high that the market went past it. I knew we was gonna come retest that, so I'm just trying to catch a trade to the downside. So we broke this structure right here to the downside, so that left what? Gaps to be filled. As you guys can see, we ended up leaving those gaps right there with this yellow box right there. I drew this yellow box out. As you guys can see, we got 1, 2, 3 touches, man, and that's all she wrote. And so I got in at the break of the candle somewhere right here. Now all these trades right here that you see, guys, that was me trying to get it to the downside. Those were all break-even trades. I had my stop loss super tight, and I'm talking about real tight. I didn't like those. I knew it was going to end up going down here, but I ended up getting in prematurely about 3 times, and I said, you know what, I'm just going to wait. So after it broke from here, I'm trying to catch it down, and I just kept missing it. But I had a really tight stop loss. I said, Corey, just wait until the market touched this and then go back to our supply zone, then get in. So that's where I ended up getting in at, guys. I ended up getting in somewhere. I ended up getting somewhere down here where you see my positioning at, because I wanted to wait till the break of the candle. So it came and touched my zone like I wanted to, and then it closed below it. That's a perfect supply zone. So I got in at the end of the candle, and I was aiming for a 1 to 2. Had I held this trade to my full TP, I only missed out on $700. So I ended up getting a nice amount still. So let's click the account, and we made $1,321. Traded on 4th of July, something I normally don't do. But remember, I told y'all, if you watch my last video, it's like with these evals, I don't care. And with my funded accounts, when I care, it don't work. It's like it's backwards. With the evals, I don't care, but it worked. With the funded accounts, I care, but it don't work. So I'm trying to keep this mindset up. You know, these are really good trades, but I'm risking a lot more, and I'm not worried about it. It's an eval. I'm going in hard. So I think come next week, I'm going to take some of that mindset over to my funded accounts, because I'm doing pretty good not caring, just being honest. It's like the more I care, the more I lose. When I don't care, I'm winning. So we're going to change some things up next week. I'm not going to go crazy and go outside of my scaling plan. I'm still gonna stay within a decent range, but we're gonna turn up, man. We're gonna try to push these things over. So yeah, man, that was some good trading, man, on a holiday. Something I normally don't do, but I said I'm gonna try to push these things over, man. I'm getting ready to just push you off the bridge, man. Let's go. You either gonna survive or you're not. And that mindset has been making me win. So hey, it is what it is, y'all. I'm just, you know what I'm saying? Hey, we just gonna roll with it. We on a good streak. Hey, we gonna ride it while it's hot, man. But yeah, man, that's it for trading. Kind of like a little day in the life vlog, man. I'm gonna vlog me barbecuing and stuff, man. I'm gonna just bring y'all right along with me, cause we just chilling today, man. So we get ready to go back outside and start these coals up. Here we go. I'm getting ready to put these coals on here, so you don't see them. Now you see them. All right, so I put them all in a pile so they could catch on fire better. Oh yeah, we're gonna drench it down, baby. Drench. Oh yeah, there we go. That's how you want it. All right, we got some matches. We're gonna get 2 matches. Flaming, baby. He's on fire. All right, we got Boo out here helping us. There you go. All right, see what these coals doing. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee. Starting to look good. All right, y'all, I'm gonna start taking these out and start putting them on there. That's burning my eyes. Ah! Hoo-wee! Looking good so far.
That's careful, careful.
Nope. We're gonna close it, y'all. Let them cook. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are finally done with barbecuing. I got the hot dogs out there right now. They cooking, but wanted to show y'all what we working with, man. Y'all ready? Here we go, y'all. Yes, sir. These things look good, y'all. Yes, sir. That look good, man. Good brown. Hamburgers, and then these pork steaks. And then the hot dogs is out there right now. They look good, y'all. Yes, sir. Well, on that note, guys, man, that's the video. Good trading day, man. We made some decent money. We got, what, $1,700 more to make, and then we funded. We can start making real money. Still got the Apex 50K account. We got $750 in that. We got to get that to $2,600 so we can get a payout request of $500 officially in the bank. And we got these 3 My Funded Futures account, 1 funded on the way, and 2 evals, y'all. Good day, man, on the 4th of July. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos. And bangs! Corey, the phone trader guy, coming out, y'all. Peace, blessings. I love y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Stay locked in. Y'all have a good holiday, man. You guys have a good weekend. Love y'all. And you know the motto after every video. In 3, 2, 1. Holla. Peace out, baby. Deuces.